furry feet.
Nut bag. I just got done eating and opened the kitchen curtain and here they all come. Destroy. Destroy everything. Crazy Faru. You really are a nutbag. Chicken. Destroy the carpet now? Really?
Thank you for bringing that.
Yeah. Chicken. Well, you are really weird. What is... No, that's... Oh, come on, chicken. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I thought she was playing with dried crap and wondering how in the world dried crap stayed here, but it was just some piece of a stick or something. Yes, everyone get in the hospital. That would be great. No crapping on the floor that way. Nut bags. Raised by ducks, I swear. Chocolate? No, you're not getting up there.
Where's she trying to go?
He's looking at the table, eyeballing what's up there. Probably something to play with, right?
Most often, she's actually pretty good about just reaching to look and...
Can I have that slice of the cucumber there? Chick. Cucumber. Have some. Have some. Chicken. You are the weirdest chickens. Olive just barreling through. What do you got? What is that? I'm going to blast through everybody. It's a cucumber. America? Oh, yeah, you just go tearing into it. Go ahead. Have some. Have some. It's good. It's good. Come on, chicken. You just take a bite and decide you don't want it, huh? How rude. Alright, well. Guess nobody's going to eat this. Olive? No? America? And there's the first crap on the carpet, damn it. Alright, see you all later. I gotta clean this shit up.